Hello guys, it's me Maris and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for Korean soft glam makeup look. So guys, let's start. I'm gonna use my toner, which is the Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel in Rose Petal. And I'm going to spray my Lux Organic Skin Mattifying Mist with tea tree extract. Okay. Now we'll use this Air Cotton Makeup Base from the Face Shop. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, and I'm in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Start tong 228, pero maputi talaga ako mag-foundation. So talaga yung mas angat yung kulay sa akin. Pero pag ganon, hinahaluan ko na lang siya ng mas lighter. Next is na Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. And since Koreans are well known for their natural looking brows, and dahil uso naman siya ngayon, yung mga brows na parang pang-artista. So, we will be using yung wax up brow. And then after that, we will touch up lang ng Vice Cosmetics Gandal Volumizing Gel in Ash Brown. I'm gonna be using the Vice Cosmetics BT21 palette. So we will start from this shade. And this is Hannah. And then I wanted to have like a light brown shade, but kasi tinitingnan ko tong si Yol ba Yol? Medyo pinkish kasi siya. Makita. Parang mas gusto kong gamitin yung parang medyo brown. Siguro I'm gonna be using another palette, which is the Everbella na Iconic eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to use this shade. And then after that, I'm going to use the gold shade. And this one is Ilgo. Oh, this one. I'm going to use my fingers na lang. Going to get the same shade na ginamit natin kanina And we're gonna do the under sa baba ng lids. And we're gonna do on contour with using Bobby Cosmetics contour kit. Let's do a nose line. For our bronzer for the face, I'm going to use the Benefit Hula bronzer. And for the blush, I'm going to still use my Bobby Cosmetics contour kit. Na-apply ko yung blush ko na parang contour para at the same time mukhang payat. Kasi pag tendency napapansin ko kapag ganito ko maglagay ng blush, parang baliwala yung pag-contour ko. Unlike kapag yung blush is akong parang pa-contour din, is konting-konting curve lang. It gives me the illusion na medyo maliit yung dito. So, ganun yung technique ko. Ayan o. And this one din. And then, I wanted to use a liquid highlighter. This one from Colorit. Kaso, nakapaglagay na ako ng powder blush. Hindi ko alam baka masira. Siguro, konti lang. I'll try muna. Kasi diba dapat inuuna tong mga liquid na kind ng makeup bago yung mga dry. Para hindi disrupt yung ilalim. Kaso, alam ko naman kasi parang gusto ko pa rin kasi talagang maglagay nitong liquid. Ayan. Basta siguro dahan-dahan lang. Para hindi masira yung ilalim. AOA Wonder Bake Highlighter. Then for our lips, since this is a Korean soft glam, I'll be using a red lipstick. Actually, it's red orange tone. Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. Ano guys, sobrang favorite ko to. Pag ginagamit ko to, parang naalala ko si NYX. Yung amoy niya, parang NYX. And we're done. I'm gonna be back with my final look. Final look guys, and I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang makeup tutorial for today. And if nag-enjoy kayo, please give me a like. And if you have friends, bet na bet ang mga Korean look please share this video to them. And if hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe ka na sa aking channel and click the bell button para notified ka every time na magpo-post ako ng video. And again, this is Maris, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.